What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Ambi earbuds. Pretty much, it's like as you can see, it's like an earring almost looking thing for your. It's like a headset, but like just different. I've never seen anything like it. See that? Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out with our iPhone, unbox it, and review it as well today. So here we go. So to fit it on your ears, pretty much it just goes in from the front first, like so. And then it just pushes in from the back. Now I have a hard time installing this on my ear. It's one of the downfall of these. You'd have to put your earlobe right in there, and it does get very tight, especially if you have a big ear like me. But it's kind of like installing an earring if you are into that kind of stuff. So pretty much goes right into there like so. And as you can see right there, we're good to go. You know, I could see this as well as like an open ear type of earbuds. So you'll be able to hear your you'll be able to hear your music and take phone calls from here. Meanwhile, you can hear the background as well. Really good. So let's test it out with our phone here. Play some music. Now let me know as well if there's a sound leak with these open earbuds. Usually they have sound leaks, so just let me know if it's really bad. I have it on the maximum volume right now. 20. I would probably listen to it about 3/4 of the way. The full volume is too loud. So with these open earbuds as well, usually what's lacking is the bass. This one has a nice, nicer bass than usual. It's not bad, it's doable. It's not like it's nothing compared to like an AirPods Pro or anything like that, but it does do well. Once you put it on your ear as well, it's pretty comfortable. Like, it doesn't touch anything really. Like, it's just kind of clips onto your earlobe. For me, it's not bad. I have a big part right here on my ear, so it does kind of touch right there. But for the most part, if you have a smaller ear, if that cups right in there, it'll feel like you just have earrings there. Not bad. Now there are a few things as well that you can do with this. Like, it has a button on the back side of it. So for example, you can change music. You can play and pause music on both sides. You can do that on this side as well. There you go. And then you can double click for next song. There you go. And previews on the other side by double clicking it as well. There you go. Pretty good. And then by holding this, you can lower the volume as well, as you can see there. And then doing it on the other side will increase the volume. There it is. Pretty good. You just kind of hold it and it just keeps going. Pretty nice. Nice. And there you go. That's it for the day, for everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds. I'm trying to show you guys different types of earbuds that are being developed right now in the market. This is a different take to it. I've never seen anything like that. So if you want to check it out, I'll link this down below. It is pretty cheap. It doesn't cost very much, so just recommend it. Just test it out. If you don't like it, just return it back, you know, whatever. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.